Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Persian by Proshat. This lesson is about two letters. The first one that you see is f and it's called f. And the second one is called jim and it sounds j. This is how we write the separate form of f, and this is the sticking form. Repeat, write the sticking form, then complete it and make the separate form. Here is an example. F plus a plus r plus sh together, fash. And remove the vowel, fash. Fash means carpet. As you know, Persia is very well known for its beautiful carpets. Another example, f plus a, that I have not written it here for you to get used to skipping vowels, and plus r plus d plus a together, farda. Farda means tomorrow. B plus a plus r plus f together, barf. Barf means snow. Let's go for jim. This is the separate and this is the sticking form of jim. Like j in English, like jungle. Here is how we write jungle. J plus a plus n plus g plus a plus l. Together, jangal. Jangal means jungle, the same in English, because jangal is an ancient Persian word, and as you know, ancient Persian is the sister language of Sanskrit, and in Sanskrit also they call it jangal. J plus a together, ja. Ja means place or location. P plus a plus n plus j. There I skipped mentioning the vowel, but here I'm writing it for you so that you can learn the pronunciation. Together, panj. Panj means 5. Thank you for staying with me, and please subscribe my channel and share this video with all the Persian lovers so that they can learn Persian easily. Stay tuned.